Ramblin' Ted. Sitting here, as you can see, it's raining. But that doesn't matter. I'm about to leave here and we're gonna head to Oklahoma because I've heard some stories. Now, that Jeep just went through a big old puddle. That's pretty cool. It floods in my neighborhood sometimes. I've heard some stories about a place up in Oklahoma called the Gasquatch. So we're gonna go see if we can find it. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun time. Hopefully we'll drive out of this rain. It's supposed to be a little clearer up there. But right now here in Texas, there's my old chair. I got a new chair, so that's sitting out for the trash can. Hopefully here in Texas, or up in Oklahoma, it's not raining. Here in Texas, it's raining a little bit, but it's supposed to start lightening up. So anyway, yeah, I'm sitting in the back of my car. My legs are wet. I'll show you. That's what happens when you sit in the back of your car with your feet sticking out. Anyway, I gotta load some more stuff up in the old Ted-mobile here, and I will I'll see you on the road. Made it just north of Idabel, Oklahoma at the Gasquatch. It's a giant gas station up here in Oklahoma. I hear they have an antique car museum inside and good food and all that kind of stuff, so thought I'd come up and check it out. It's interesting. That sign behind me is like 32 or 36 feet tall and has light up eyes that apparently you can see from like 3 miles away at night. So kind of cool. Used to be a bar here that I think I played at way back in the 90s. And I think the same guy who owned the bar decided to build this giant gas station and show off a car collection and stuff. So let's check it out. Oh yeah, I can see one of his eyes is lit right now. It's a huge sign, I'll tell you that much. He's big. He's rather large. He's holding a gas nozzle in his hand to let you know what he's all about. The Gasquatch. Pretty impressive. Just to give you an idea of the size of him, this is me by one of his big feet. Pretty big. There really is a car museum in here, and it's pretty cool. You can see one behind me back there. But it gets better. It gets better. Hang on. Actually, you don't get a lot better than a Dodge Daytona. These Daytonas are special. They didn't make a lot of them. They raced a few years at Indianapolis, and then they banned them because they were too fast. They were they're what's called a homologation car. They made that front end for racing, and then they had to build at least 500 of them for the street for it to be legal for NASCAR. Very fast. I believe they were the first production car to get close to 200 miles an hour, if I remember right. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Had a fun time up there at the Gasquatch. Little tourist trappy kind of place, but pretty neat. The cars were cool. The food was okay. A nice hamburger and stuff. You know, nice little trip. Getting away if you're going through Idabel or going up to Broken Bow. It's a cool place to stop at and look around and see what they've got there. Lisa and I had a good time. Anyway, got us out of the house. That's the important part. Get out and do stuff, man. Just go explore, go find stuff. Anyway, remember, it costs nothing to be nice. Always be good to each other. And I'll see you next time. Bye.